Hi guys, welcome in. I am going to give you a list of 35 great crochet patterns that I have found for spring from Etsy shop, and they are less than $5. So these are great deals, and what a great way to support your fellow crochet artists than buying one of their patterns from Etsy, and they're all under $5. So number one is this beautiful little crochet pattern. This is one of the few amigurumis that I have on my list. This is adorable little butterflies and under $3 at $2.95. Number two is these cuddly little bunnies. This is a bundle pattern. This is $3.95 from Fuzzle Forms, and you get two patterns in one. And look at these adorable little bunnies. They are so sweet. Number three is a shawl. I love this. You could actually use this as a cover-up also. This will take you from spring to summer. So this flower shawl is a vintage pattern, and it's a lacy star flower shawl, and it is from Past and Pattern Palooza Company at under $2. This is only $1.90 for this pattern, so check that out. I think I'm going to buy this pattern and make that. All right, number four is this beautiful sweater pattern. This is another wearable. I have a little bit of everything on this list. So this is only $2.52 from Clouds Hope You, and this is a beautiful pattern. Again, I want to buy this pattern and make this. It's so beautiful. All right, number five is one of my hats I have on my list. So this is a quick and easy crochet bucket hat. I love anything granny squares and all the multicolors on this. I just love. This is from the Easy Design, and this is less than $4 at $3.97. I think this is a really good deal for a pattern. All right, number six is a spring bag. This is a 2-pattern set again. So you get this beautiful pattern for the tulip bag, and then you have another bag pattern that's like puffs. And it's so versatile getting 2 patterns for one price. So this pattern is under $3 for the 2 patterns, and it's from Crochet by Susan L. Dora. I love it. Number 7 on our list is something for home decor. So this is a coaster bundle at $2. It's beautiful. It's succulents. It's plants. It's giving, and I love it. And this would be a great gift. This next one, number 8, is oxalatos. This is a 3-in-1 pattern bundle. Everybody loves oxalatos. And the colors on this are so cute. I had to add this into my springtime pattern roundup. It's so cute. This is $3.50, and this is from Les Revs Crochet. I think it's adorable. I love the little oxalatos. All right, number 9 is another wearable, and this is a cardigan. And this crochet cardigan pattern is only $4.92, and it is from Digital Only Crafts. And the size ranges go in this pattern from 3X to small. So you can make it in any size, and it is less than $5. Another wearable here is an island vest, and this pattern is under $4 at $3.97, and it's available in 8 sizes, so that's a really good deal. And it is from the Easy Design. I love it, and this would be a gorgeous little summertime vest. I think it's adorable, and I really want to try that pattern. All right, number 11 is along the same lines as a vest pattern. I love vests. Vests are so popular right now, so I do have a couple of them on my list. This one is different. This one's only $3, and it stitches by Art Gaze, and it's gorgeous, and I love the length of this vest. I think it's a great cover up, and I think it is just gorgeous, and I really want to try this pattern. Number 12 on our list is a wall hanging. So I do have a couple of tapestries on my list. This is one of them. This would be a gorgeous wall hanging for spring, and it is under $4, and the pattern is only $3.17, and it's from Loops and Love Crochet. This is gorgeous tapestry patterns. This next one is another decor item. This is a pillow, and this is a spring flower no-sew pillow. So those of you who are looking for no-sew patterns, this is one of them. Again, under $5. This is $4.44 for this pattern, and it's from El Meka, and it is so cute, and you could just do this in any color to match your decor. This would be a great gift item. I think this is a really cute pattern. All right, and here's another tapestry. I seen these 2 tapestries, and I had to put them both on my list because I could not decide which one was cuter. So let me know which one you like the best. This one has a little bird on it, and I think it's adorable. So this one is Spring Wall Hangings bird, and it's under $5 at $4.99, and it's by Love and Stitch Designs. I think it's gorgeous, and I love it. All right, number 15 on our list, this is a crochet flower blanket. So those of you who are looking for blankets, I do have a couple of these on my list. I wanted to get a little bit of everything to make everybody happy. So I love this crochet flower design. I'm tempted to buy this pattern. It is $4.30 and it's from Daisy Cottage Designs. I went to look at their patterns and they are all gorgeous. All right, this next one is a beautiful bow. So number 16 is this hair bow. I think it is so sweet and so pretty. And for under $3, it's $2.99. Malls made it. I love the colors that they did with this bow. And I think it would be the sweetest, cutest little gift. All right, number 17. This is a cute, adorable little 2-for-1 pattern. It has the strawberry with the bow. Strawberries is so cute and on trend right now. It's from a Yash design, and I love it for under $2 at $143. I think this is a great deal for a super cute pattern that would be easy to make, and I think that they would be really great sellers if you were selling at a market. I think that they would be adorable. I think we're at number 18, and this is a cherry design. My daughters both love cherry. Anything cherry they love. And this little keychain pattern is by Huggles at under $3. It's $2.47. And you could make this into a car charm, a bag charm, something for your headphones. It would be so adorable and so cute, and I love it. Next on the list is another wearable. This is a summer top. So this is a festival island top. It's by Leisha Little Adventure, and it's under $4 at $3.85. I love the design on this. It is so pretty, and I think it would be perfect for islands, vacations, summertime, and you could pair it with one of the cover-ups that I have in this pattern roundup also. Okay, next on our list is a shrug cover-up. Again, this is so gorgeous. This is so beautiful. The mesh design patterns go really, really quick. And so I think this would be just a stunning thing to be wearing for spring and summer. It is so beautiful. This is by Astro Stitch and under $3 at $2.99. I think this is a great deal for this pattern. The next one on our list is number 21. This is a bundle. This is a 5-in-1 bundle. So look at all the different things you could make from this, all the different cases. This would be great for book lovers, plus all the different designs they have in this is very versatile as a pattern. So this is only $4.06 for these 5 patterns, and it's by AYS Craft Store. I love it. Okay, this next one on the list, number 22. This tissue box keychain is adorable. Look at how cute that is. It's only $2.11 and it's from Hooks Tassie, and it's so cute. I love it. It's the most cutest thing. When I saw this, I was like, oh, look at how cute that is. All right, number 23 is this flower tunic cover-up. I love it. It's from Pammy Crochet. I went to check out her other designs, and they're all gorgeous, so please go check out her other items. This is only $2.09, guys. So this is a great deal for this cover-up. I love it. Okay, I have a few bags coming up here for those who are looking for bag patterns. Number 24 here, it's a strawberry tote bag. It's $3.50 for this pattern. It's by HYGGE. I'm not sure how to pronounce that crochet company. It's gorgeous. Everybody loves strawberries, and this tote bag is just so sweet and so cute. I love the design on this bag. I think it's adorable and just perfect for spring. Number 25 and number 26 are both from the same creator, but it is so adorable and so cute. I love these two patterns. So first we have number 25, which is a strawberry bag. It's a drawstring pattern. It's so beautiful. I love the colorways that they picked. The ombres with the pink and the strawberry is so beautiful in this bag. And then the next one we have from the same company is number 26, and it's this camellia bag, and it is gorgeous. I love the design on this bag. I think it is so pretty. All right, number 27, we have another bag, and this tote bag is such a beautiful design. Look at the basket weaving on this bag. It is just so unique and so different. I absolutely love it. And this is under $4 at $3.59, and it's from Ruby Webs. It is so beautiful. I love the design of the basket weave. I think that's just so unique. I've never seen anything like it. All right, next we have another bag. Now these I have made, these tulip bags. They're so quick and easy, very versatile. You can use up your stash and your all your pretty colors for flowers on this bag. It's a tulip bag. They might look difficult, but I have made several of them, and they are just so sweet and so cute. So this is by Lily's Handmade Store, and it's under $4 at $3.90. So make sure you try that pattern. So number 29 on our list, this is a headband, and this is so sweet and so adorable. This has cherries on it. It is so gorgeous. I think I'm going to buy this pattern and try this out because it looks really quick and easy to make, and I think it'd be a really great seller. The person that created this is by Live J, and it is so cute at $1.90. It's a great deal for a pattern. All right, we have one more bag on our list, and it's number 30, and it's a sunflower bag. I love the shape of this bag, the design of this bag. I love anything that is granny squares. This is gorgeous, perfect for spring and summer. This is 201, and it's from Makeup Baka Gifts. I think it is just a sweet little design, and I think it'd be a great seller. All right, number 31, if you're going to make something for a room or a decor or a decoration, this beautiful sunflower garland is just perfect for spring and summer. This is by Huggles, and it was only $3.26 for this pattern, and I just love it. All right, the next one on our list is a little hat. So this is a lily flower hat, and I think it was so adorable. This is $4, and it's from Hyde Crochet Company. It's so sweet and so cute. I think it'd be really quick to make up and perfect for spring. All right, the next one on our list is number 33, and it's an Easter bunny bag. This one's $3.83, and it's from Digital Products Empire. I love it. It is just so cute and so sweet and so perfect for Easter. Number 34 is one more Easter product, and it is this low sew Easter bunny. I love these. These are so sweet and so adorable. These do not have to be just for Easter. These would sell all year long if you're looking for something to sell in your booth or your market, your craft fair, or just give as a gift. What a sweet little gift this would be. These are adorable. These are the Crochet Code AVs who created this pattern, and it was only $207 for this pattern, so a great deal. All right, the last item on our list, number 35, is this beautiful crochet flower choker. I love it. It is from Always Andrea Design, and it's only $2.99, so less than $3. This is a very cute, versatile pattern. You could make this in any color, and I think anybody would love to get this or buy this. I think it is so sweet, and I might buy this design and make these because I just think they are so sweet and adorable. And I was thinking not only could you wear it as a choker, but you could wear it like around your bun. I think that would be super cute. I usually have a huge hair bun, so I might make this and see if I can tie this in my hair bun. I hope you guys have loved these 35 items that I have found on Etsy. Again, all under $5. Go and support your other crochet artists by buying their patterns on Etsy. It's a great way to support each other. I hope you've loved this pattern roundup, and watch for the next video.